Hey, are those your new mittens? Oh, play your harmonica. Uh-oh, those mittens don't make it. Evie, will you play your harmonica for Mommy? Mommy play? Oh, here. Evie play. Can Evie play? Good girl! I don't know what to think about those mittens, do you? Where are you going? Uh-oh! Can Mommy help you? You want your Bible? Oh, there's the box to your Bible. Bible? Where is your Bible? Where's your baby? Where's your baby? You want a pacifier? I think you've picked almost all of them out. You want a pacifier for baby? Good job. Out? You want out? Okay, Mama help you. Oh, good girl. Go, Mama help you. Out. Go. Pacifier. Go give it to baby. Good girl.
Baby.
You want that for the baby? I love you. I love you, Evie.